Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Dian Nasir. I am from the famous English language center Bangladesh. My batch number is YD165. This is my partner Turhan.
Assalamu alaikum everybody. My name is Turhan. I'm from the famous English language center Bangladesh. My batch number is YD165. And today we are going to tell dialogue about blueberry. So let's get started.
What's your name?
My name is Turhan. What's your name?
My name is Dian. I'd like to ask you some questions.
But you can ask me some questions, but can I ask you some questions?
Sure, you can ask me some questions. What is the flavor of blueberries?
The flavor of blueberries are sweet and has a slightly tangy taste. What does blueberry contain?
Blueberries contain different types of nutrients, vitamins and minerals and fiber, etc. What can we make with blueberries?
We can make out of blueberry smoothies, muffins, cake, etc. Where does blueberry grow?
Blueberries grow mostly in sunny areas. What are the color of blueberries?
The color of blueberry is deep blue or purple. Do you like blueberries?
Yes, I like blueberries very much. Do you like blueberries too?
Yes, I like blueberries too.
Thank you for listening to us.
Bye bye.